Okay, this morning I wanted to show you this old antique screwdriver, probably from 1840s, in between 1840s and 1870s. Look at that. Boy, they don't make them like this. Probably a blacksmith made this. Just look at that handle. Couldn't find no name or no writing on it or anything. Probably homemade by a blacksmith. Bent in a peculiar way there, probably for a certain job. Just gorgeous, just beautiful. And this handle looks like it's made out of, I don't know, it could be oak or elm or walnut or locust. Probably something dense. Just beautiful, beautiful old antique screwdriver. Don't see them like that very often. I mean, if you wanted to sell this thing, what would you put on it? $1? Just think of all the work that went into that, you know. That's just pure awesomeness. Where has America gone?